Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. Country bread and cheese making. I wanted to share with you this video taken in a village in Turkey. Milk is milked from cows to make natural village cheese. The milk is added to the strainer after waiting outside for a few hours. The milk needs to be boiled over high heat. Adding yogurt to make curds. Milk curdles after boiling. Salt. Milk has now turned into cheese and is added to the strainer to get rid of excess water. After the cheese is added to the cloth and the water is filtered, a weight is placed on it and left in this way for one night. The cheese is ready. This cheese is eaten fried in butter for breakfast. Can be sliced and soaked in whey, long-lasting and healthy. You can see the dried form of the cheese here. The cheese is crushed and added to the pastry. You will see in this video. Flour is added to the counter to make bread and pastries. "2 hours pre-leavened dough. The dough will rise better if a little more air is mixed into it. The dough is rolled with flour, 400 grams. These breads will be baked in wood fire. The dough is covered with a cloth and waited for further fermentation. The baking tray is getting a little oily. Dough is added to the tray and expanded. Plenty of natural village eggs are added on it. Some black cumin and sesame seeds. 100 grams of dough is being prepared to make smaller breads. After it is placed on the tray, eggs are added on it. There are breads of all sizes, but most importantly, these breads are made with the flour of the wheat they produce. The eggs added on it are not bought from the market. Everything is natural. Dough is ready to be toasted in a hot oven and turned into crispy breads.
Hadi bismillah. İnşallah yanmaz. Hava aşırı sıcaklık oluyor.
This oven you see is not a neighborhood oven. It is a stone oven built in the garden of this house. These breads are made once a week. People in the village always make their own bread. As you can see, the top of the bread was toasted. The bottom of the bread should be toasted in the same way. Bread's okay now. Cheese pastries will be done. Cheese pan pastry to be made using hand expanded dough. Add a little oil to the dough. Even the sunflower oil used in this village is produced here. A little dried cheese you just saw is added. It is called koklak cheese. After it is cut into two parts, it is wrapped in a roll and placed on the tray. This pastry is served with tomatoes and cucumbers for breakfast, and it will be wonderful. The cheese pie will be wood-fired and ready to be served. Cheese pie fried on both sides and served with tea. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, you can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.